I'm wearing a light beige dress that creates a soft and sophisticated look. Its neutral tone makes it all around, while the flowing fabric adds comfort and grace. To complement it, I layered a crisp white cover-up that brings freshness and balance to the overall style. For accessories, I chose a sleek black sling bag, compact yet stylish, adding just the right touch of contrast. My footwear is a pair of open flats, simple but elegant, giving both comfort and poise. Altogether, this outfit blends minimalism with refinement. It is perfect for occasions such as a family gathering, whether it's for reconnecting with loved ones or celebrating a special moment. This attire shows chic elegance while staying effortlessly comfortable.